doing? This is Mr. Cage, Opulent Area Photography. Today we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma, home of BlackWall Street, as you see behind me. Right now we're in the Greenwood district. We're gonna be flying, getting a couple pictures. Nice old architecture here. You know, all my videos and all my pictures are for sale. You get my link on my website at opulentarea.com. And yeah, we're gonna get you some nice pictures here at Greenwood. Starting right here at the Culture Center. You'll find this beautiful mural, hand painted. I like that. I like that. So this is 2021, Tulsa, Oklahoma. KG, Opulent Area Photography. Like, subscribe, and follow.
When you hear Tulsa, Oklahoma, you think of BlackWall Street, and then you think about the riot, the people, the government turning its back on its own people. But in 2021, Tulsa's a lot different. It's a vibrant community. You would never know 100 years ago these streets were burning, bloody, with the thick racism of American history. But no more, as new buildings with old buildings come together and show a whole new era of American revolution with art, with creativity. That's the new Tulsa. That's the new Greenwood.
Downtown Tulsa. There's lots of things to see around here. Lots of things to see. The building behind us has a nice piece of art on it. And I've noticed that a lot of the buildings in downtown Tulsa, like a lot of big cities I've been to, they have lots of graffiti. So I'm going to be bringing you a lot of graffiti shots and paintings. Because like I said, Tulsa has become one of the art institutes of Oklahoma, I feel. Like there's so much art here and creativism that you know, it's a vibrant culture. I see a mixture of people here. White, black, Mexican, Indian, Asian. You know, I think Tulsa's a pretty cool spot. We're about to send up the drone right now and get some drone footage, and you guys tell me what you think about Tulsa.
SAP Productions.
City beat.
you.